My name is Valeriane LeBlond. I'm an author and an illustrator. I live in Aberystwyth and I work from home in my studio here. There is no ordinary days in my job because every day can be different. Sometimes it's going to be a lot of painting, sometimes it's going to be a lot of sketching, reading, maybe an online meeting. It's different every day. I have a degree in French literature, so I'm not, I haven't learned to be an illustrator through university, only through practice because I like drawing and painting. But I've always had a keen interest in books. What I like about my job is that it's always different and I get to choose what projects I want to work on, and I can get really into a subject I didn't know at all before, and I get to meet interesting people, and also I love being on my own, so I get to have some me time all the time. What can be difficult about being an illustrator is that it can be quite lonely, and sometimes to get ideas going I need to speak to someone, but there aren't many illustrators around to exchange experiences, so that can be difficult. I get my ideas from books and from talking to friends and going for walks, reading, watching films. A lot of things can be inspiring. The book I'm the most proud of is The Quilt, because it's a book I have written as well as illustrated, and it got me on the way to, well, I hope write and illustrate more books where I get to do all the work. It's quite amazing to hold your own book. And an advice I would give is to do it not to be successful or just because you like what you do, and that way you keep your integrity and you will be successful because you do something you like with passion, but without sometimes if you're too ambitious maybe you'll be disappointed, but if you do things just because you want to do them, I think things go smoothly when you don't expect anything.